Not every day is a long short day. Sometimes, the market gives you a mirror and it's your job to catch the flip. Right here, we tapped the top power zone. And I'm not guessing. RSI crossed the zero. Momentum hit exhaustion. But price? It's moving sideways. That's my cue, the push is weak. I already know. This isn't a shorthand dump day. It's a setup. For the reversal. We came right back to the middle. The equilibrium zone. Reset. Reload. Then it happens. Heat map lights up. RSI kicks. Momentum shifts. We're going long, straight back to the top zone. This is how I trade. Zone to zone. Signal to signal. Clarity over chaos. You don't need 10 trades. Just the right read. Stay masked. Stay patient. And always trust the power zone.